it's Kathryn from the blog Do It on a Dime. I am so excited to share with you some of my favorite ways to decorate your home using all dollar store products. First is a gorgeous mirror display, and high-end stores retail for up to $2,000 for these. I am not kidding, but you can make it for just $7. Go to the dollar store and get some 8x10 mirrors, flip them over, and connect with duct tape from varying angles so it's nice and secure. Add some super glue, a foam core board on top, let dry overnight. It really is that simple. I also love the oversized lantern look, and you can make this from the dollar store. Take some frames that you like, punch out the center, and remove the hardware. Lay one frame down, another frame perpendicular, and connect with a bead of hot glue. And the sky is the limit with what you want to put inside. I love the look of berries and dollar store hurricane vases and candles. This is so pretty. You totally have to give these a try. All my love from Charlotte to you. I'll see you soon.